Hello, I'm Blake, founder and CEO of Emigro. Our product, EmigroPay, is the digital currency payment solution for the global migration industry. Before Emigro, as an immigration consultant, I was helping many Brazilians and Latinos move to Canada. As a small business owner, I was solely responsible for all aspects of the operation, and one of my biggest pain points was receiving payments from my international clients. My experience was not unique and is shared by hundreds of thousands of legal professionals and small businesses in the US and Canada that are servicing the migration industry. EmigroPay is an embedded finance company that utilizes blockchain technology and stablecoins for cross-border digital currency payments, transferring money without requiring the handshake between central banks that slows down the process and adds cost. We're targeting the global migration niche, starting with the service providers in the US that have Brazilian clients. Because of a language barrier and the importance of the process, many migrants use an immigration lawyer or visa agency. These service providers don't have a dedicated product to receive cross-border payments, relying on a handful of them that aren't optimized for their service or satisfy their regulatory requirements. EmigroPay will be the better, faster, cheaper solution for these cross-border payments designed for the migration industry. We'll be starting with on and offboarding fees while later exploring subscriptions for value-added services such as escrow. Our MVP will be a standalone product working towards integrations into the websites and other SaaS products that the service providers are using, such as practice management. Our B2B to C approach will have long-term business clients who will bring in new consumer clients that will be able to offer savings, remittance, and other financial products. Migration professionals are online and they belong to industry associations that have regular events and email newsletters that can be sponsored. Both of these are great ways to introduce them to EmigroPay and sell to them directly. Their customers are often on Facebook looking for advice and sharing tips, while also watching YouTube videos about the desired destination country. Sponsored ads and videos can be used here. We're ambitiously chasing incumbents in embedded, cross-border, and remittance payments as we believe the digital currency can offer such great advantages in speed, fees, and programmability, and is really the future of payments. My co-founding CTO, Nathan, and I started building on Stellar in June of this year and are happy to be new entrants into the ecosystem. Our bios can be found on our SCF project page. We expect 2023 to be a great year for EmigroPay. Make sure to follow our progress. Now we'll go to the demo of our payments product. Our demo starts logged in as a migration service provider that is viewing their dashboard of invoices. Looking at the user-friendly custodial wallet with MUXed addresses, we can see the currencies held and their balances. SEP24 deposits and withdrawals will be available soon. Let's create an invoice, which is one of our key features and the starting point for embedding further into our clients' businesses, also making Stellar the first direct integration into this side of the industry. Users are able to choose the type of billing and a strict amount of the currency they want to receive. We're going up against Stripe and Wise Business, as well as meeting the specific needs of the legal industry, separating EmigroPay from other products that we may be compared to on Stellar. After sending, we can see there is a new invoice in our dashboard that can be reviewed with notifications set up for their customer. With Soroban, we will be able to bring multiple milestone-based invoices together onto a single customer contract. Migration customers logging in have a similar dashboard showing their upcoming and paid invoices. Let's look at a recently received invoice. After a review, it looks good and we'll go to pay it. The customers have the flexibility to pay with any currency they hold, and with path payments, a user can pay the service provider as long as they have enough funds to make the conversion. We'll choose the requested BRL, and after confirming the payment, we can see that the invoice has been paid within seconds and the money withdrawn from our wallet. In the service provider account, we can see the invoice has been updated to paid and the money has been deposited into their wallet, less EmigroPay's fees. We're currently determining the best moment for charging fees, considering the ease of accounting of our clients.